competition.
Show us what you've got.
If you're selected, you'll fly to Los Angeles to perform in this year's on-air dance competition, where America will vote for the grand prize winner to dance on Shake It Up.
We want to dance with you.
With your parents' permission, go to DisneyChannel.com/danceoff for a list of do's and don'ts and how to enter. Then, shoot an audition video of all your best moves, or a rockin' routine with you and your crew.
You could be this year's winner.
Are you ready to be a star? Make your mark. Shake It Up Dance Off.
Oh my God, Disney Channel.
Ang kumbahin sa lapis ko na.
I'm in love. This is gonna blow someone's mind. Hang on.
Yeah.
Disney Channel Summer Adventure Weekend continues.
Maybe the most fun
Saturday Night Adventure.
Check it out.
I do.
And the week just keeps getting better. Come on, Charlie, full of surprises.
May I present the new Teddy Duncan?
New and approved.
Steve full of dangers. Gravity Falls full of mysteries. Mabel, do you believe in ghosts?
Kasasas ko rin.
And an ant farm full of laughs.
Heroes require a delicate touch.
A Disney Channel Saturday night full of adventure.
Kaya sumaya tuwa pa, papay natin.
No. Cantando
Despacito.
Continues tonight, starting at 8/7 Central.
Okay.
This night is like
Ito
legendary.
yung siya po nila.